Hello friends, have a wonderful day. Do you know Facebook cooks your privacy properly and like a roost? The off Facebook track mechanism which tracks you even if you are not using Facebook account or you are not a Facebook user, and that's what Facebook does. To know this properly, open your Facebook account. Let's see the live demonstration. In your Facebook account, you will see on the top bar this information where a triangle appears on the right side. Click on this triangle. You will be shown which will have your page, your business management issues and other issues. Third last from there will be setting. Click on setting. You will be taken to next page which will have two columns. In that you go to your information. When you click there, you will be shown the information Facebook collects on you in various format. I strongly recommend that you explore every other things. Here today we are focused on off Facebook activity, so we will look at that. To have a look that what is your off Facebook activity, the Facebook is recording, click on view. When you click on view, the new page will be thrown up to you, and in that it will tell you what the off Facebook activity is. It says off Facebook activity includes information that business and organization shared with us about your interaction with them. Interaction are things such as visiting their website or logging into their app with the Facebook. Off Facebook activity does not include customer list that business use to show a unique group or customer relevant ads. Let me tell you, I have not used ever Facebook as for my ID purposes, but I find thousands of my records have been recorded. So this is just a sham that if you will use the Facebook login ID, then only it will record you in any case. Okay. How did Facebook receive your activity? When you visit a website or use an app, these businesses or organization can share information about your activity with us by using our business tool. It basically not the tool alone, the money flows. Okay, your data is sold to the Facebook. Facebook buys it off either through barter or in real cash term. We use this activity of personalize your experience, such as showing your relevant ads. Why they use it? For showing ads. We also require that business and organization provide notice to people before using our business tool. I have not shown the notice upfront anywhere. It may be lying there somewhere in terms and condition that we will share the third party including Facebook or something like that. But that is in terms and condition. And if you visit a site, another thing which it asks for permission is cookies. So the two things, but nowhere it will say upfront that they are selling your data, personalized data to Facebook. No. I have not seen a site which says so. I have not seen a site which says so. Because I never logged in using Facebook. So no site told upfront. Maybe it's hidden somewhere in, like you'll find this, that switching off this activity is hidden somewhere deep inside the Facebook. It's not easy to switch it off. So how activity is shared with the Facebook? He gives the example then. James buy a pair of shoes from an online clothing and shoes shop. The shop shares Jane's activity with us using our business tool. Why did he share? Because the shop then gets the monetary benefit in some form or the other. We receive Jane's off Facebook activity because you're not on Facebook, you're on somewhere else, but Facebook has a tie-up with unknown number of entities, and these people sold your data to them. And we save it with their Facebook account. The activity is saved as visited the clothes and shoe website and made a purchase. Two things at least noted. Okay, in addition that other things where you might have clicked. Okay, Jane sees an ad on the Facebook for a voucher of 10% off her next shoes or clothing purchase from the online shop. That's it trying to show that advantage you will gain out of our buying off your information. When we buy off the information from you, you will see the better ads. But is it that the only thing? Is the targeted ad the only thing? We'll see as we move forward. Right now, when you try to click on the left top box that is off Facebook activity, it may ask you a password once again. So you might have to share your password to look at the complete activity. So once you click that, you will get the complete activity of years together in the Facebook. That what of the record Facebook has collected on behalf personal data collected on you from various entity who never took any permission from you. By the way, let me tell you very candidly, I have not given permission to anybody explicitly to share my data with Facebook, right? And I am sure when you will see the list, you will be shocked to know that you are not shared, but Facebook is collecting this information. Okay. So this in summary, it says 341 apps and websites have shared the information, and when you click on learn more, you will be very interesting thing will come out. It says some of your activity does not appear. First thing you make very category. So it says ki I shared some of you is a sample. How much I know about you, I am not telling you. So Facebook knows much more than this, but they're telling only some part of it, not full part. Okay, there are some of things you must know or thing you know. The list does not contain your most recent visit activity, as it takes a few days or for your activity to be shown here. The dates that appears in the list indicates when we receive the activity. Okay, the day it receives the activity, not on the day you actually made and visited the place. So you'll not able to correlate. So there can be days pass, there can be hour pass, there can be minute pass. You're not able to correlate when you visited, what happened then. So not easy to correlate. We receive more details activities than what appears here. So we know a lot about you. We are just showing a sample. That's what the Facebook is telling you on your face. We receive much more detail than what appears here. For technical and accuracy reason, this list does not show all the activity. Technical reason is one reason. Okay, and that we receive activity that is shown, that is not shown includes information that we have received when you are not logged into Facebook or when we cannot confirm that you have previously used Facebook on that device. If it also includes details such as the item that you added to your shopping list. So it knows what all things you added to your shopping list. It is not showing to you. It's not showing where it is not sure. That means there will, like I have not logged in on Facebook or using Facebook. So that means what data it's showing is only 20-30% of the all Facebook data. Okay, nothing beyond that. So in such cases, in some circumstances, we may disconnect your Facebook or Facebook activity from your account for technical reason. So whenever we feel like we can disconnect, that means we can keep collecting your data. We know it is your data, but we will not show it to you here. It will not be reflected here. It will not be logged in for you. It will not be logged for you. You will not have trace of it. We will know. The Facebook will know, but you will not know that what Facebook knows. Next it says clearing your history will also disconnect activities that is not shown. Okay, if you clear the history, then also it disconnects and you will not be shown the list of data. It does not mean it goes off from the records of the Facebook database. It only shows that you will not be shown. In rare cases, we may continue to store your activities for security reasons. Even if under the pretext of security, we can keep collecting data on to you. We will not tell you. We will have everything on you. So please be very clear. Whether you logged on to Facebook, not logged on to Facebook is irrelevant totally. Whether you're Facebook member or not a member, Facebook collects the information. Everything else is irrelevant. So that's what the Facebook does, right? Okay, when you collect on manage future activities, now you want to do something about it. So when you want to do something about it, it again throws a box of notice to you. It says, how do we use off Facebook activity? He's trying to convince you that don't have to delete it, don't worry. We connect your off Facebook activity to your account to do things such as, that means there are many more things they do, or such as show you relevant ads and introduce you to new product and services, create a more personalized experience for you by suggesting things that you might be interested in, such as event that you might want to go to. So basically you will get personalized ads. That's the stated objective. Is it a clear objective? No. If you switch off Facebook, you'll sell data to somebody else, or let's see what happens then. So then you can click on manage future activity. If you click on manage future activity still, then you shown another box is thrown to you. It says future of Facebook activity. Right now it is on. Keeping your future of Facebook activity saved with your account allow us to personalize your experience. So it says personalized experience के लिए you allow us. Otherwise, and view manage this app website whose activity you have turned on. In case you have the power, they give you the power that following activity is not to be linked to your account. So basically, if you are visiting any sites and you want it not to be reflected here for your knowledge, for your visibility, it doesn't mean Facebook doesn't have visibility. For your visibility, then you can do. And if the list will be given here, you want to reallocate them, you can click on the lower tab and get the information. Now let's concentrate on the top tab and try to switch off the Facebook activity. When you try to switch off, it throws up another notice to you. It says turn off future activity. Here are something you must know before you want to switch off. So take your call. And I'm serious. Please take a call after reading this. Don't take a call otherwise. Turning this off will disconnect your future activity. Right? So your future activity will be disconnected from your account. Not that they will not receive it. First thing. It may take 48 hours until it is fully disconnected from your account. So it will take about 48 hours before all the accounts get disconnected. Okay. We will still receive activities from business or organization you visit. Go anywhere you like. Facebook will collect information on you. Whether you keep it on, keep it off is irrelevant. They're not bothered. It may be used for measurement purpose to make improvements in ad system, but it will be disconnected from your account. So we will still use it. That also means that it will be used and sold further. So in this case, you're not allowed the Facebook to use this activity to throw up the ads. It will be sold to some other advertiser who will buy it off this data and then make the advertisements or other activity accordingly. So it is a business model for them. Facebook buy your personal data and personal information from somebody else and sell it to somebody else if you disable it. You enable it, the Facebook will use it. Some of the list will be shown to you. Okay. Your activity history also be disconnected from your account. So your activity history will also get disconnected if you do this. So your activity history both are linked together. So activity history and the Facebook activity are linked together. If you switch off one, other will get switched off automatically. This also prevent you from logging in the apps and website with Facebook because your activity will be disconnected from your account. So it says that if you want to use login using Facebook account, then it will not be allowed. You will still see the same number of ads. So number of ads and pops are not going to come down just because you switch it off. The only thing will happen is those ads will be based on the data and activity you create on the Facebook app or Facebook website. Right? That's the only limitation will come. Otherwise, as Facebook goes, Facebook knows what all things you like, what all they dislike, what you purchase, how your profile like, what your tendencies are, what your behaviors are, what you speak, what you talk, what you do. So that like Cambridge Analytica, it can sell this data to like it sold it to Cambridge Analytica some time back and face some minor problem, minor hiccups. Only UK government, a small piddly UK government called Facebook and did nothing about it. Facebook least bothered what the UK government did with them. So they're not bothered about it. They'll send it to some organization like Cambridge Analytica for changing your democracy, may bring their own leaders and finally rule you in some form or the other. That's precisely he's telling you. So if you turn off, the only thing will happen is you will not know what Facebook is collecting on you. You keep it on, you will know at least some part of the activity that Facebook is collecting on you. You will not know fully. In any case, we state very categorically. But some part at least you'll come to know. And you can make a broader sense of the things what you want to do. So if you turn off, that data won't be available. That's the only thing. Not that Facebook will not know. And remember, law enforcement agencies can always approach the Facebook and get your data. Okay, they can always get the data. In case you think that it is not there, so they can't get it, they will get it. The question thus arises is very clear. When the Zoom has shared the data with Facebook, the Zoom got banned by the government of India. Will government of India now ban the Facebook? I doubt. Okay, so whatever decision you take a considered decision whether you want to switch off the history or keep it on. I am keeping it on because I like to know what all he's collecting on me. But it is your decision whether you want to keep it on or keep it off. Thank you very much. And if you want to know more about privacy, visit us on myakshi.com or write to me at president@dpf.org.in, which is dataprivacyfoundation.org.in. Thank you.